When you search for the best-sounding exhaust for your F150 Ecoboost, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually makes a difference, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: MONOKING exhaust tip. First up is the MONOKING 3-inch exhaust tip, priced at just $20.49. Honestly, what caught my attention was its bold black finish and the fact that it's designed for a direct bolt-on installation. If you're looking to enhance your truck's sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This exhaust tip features a 3-inch inlet and a 4-inch outlet, which means it can amplify sound while also giving your tailpipe a sporty look. The durable 304 stainless steel ensures that it will resist rust and deformation over time. Plus, the slant-cut design isn't just for looks, it helps project sound outward, giving your truck a more aggressive roar that turns heads. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 797 reviews, it's clear that many are happy with their purchase. Now, some people complain that the installation screws can be a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful and perhaps consider additional welding for extra security, this isn't a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic option for budget-conscious buyers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable upgrade that adds style and sound to your F150. Skip this one if you want something with a louder, more aggressive sound profile right out of the box. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if the MONOKING's installation concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Tritrust Adjustable Exhaust Tip. Next, we have the Tritrust Adjustable Exhaust Tip, retailing for $29.99. I was intrigued by its adjustable size, allowing it to fit pipes ranging from 2.5 to 3 inches. If you're looking for flexibility in your exhaust setup, this one deserves your attention. What makes this tip stand out is its clamp-on installation. It's made from high-quality stainless steel with a black powder coat that enhances durability and gives it a sleek look. The 4.5-inch outlet creates a deeper, more commanding sound that many truck owners crave. With 505 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that it satisfies many drivers. Now, some users noted that the clamps aren't as sturdy as they'd like. I get it. If you're pushing the exhaust hard, you want everything to stay in place. But for most drivers, this setup is more than adequate, especially given its price and flexibility. This is perfect for you if you want an adjustable option that fits a range of sizes. Skip this one if you have a fixed exhaust setup and want something specific. At this price, you're getting great value for a solid sound upgrade. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a consistent fit. Product number 3: AKRCK Exhaust Tip. Coming in third is the AKRCK Exhaust Tip, priced at $28.99. Right off the bat, the sleek black coated finish caught my eye, promising to not only enhance sound but also style. If you want an option that combines aesthetics with performance, this is a serious contender. This exhaust tip features a universal fit for 3-inch outer diameter tailpipes. It also boasts a drainage hole at the bottom to prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to rust. The 4-inch outlet provides a bold growl that's sure to make your truck stand out. With over 800 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, it shows positive feedback from many users who appreciate its solid build and performance. However, some users mention that the black coating can chip over time. I'll be real with you, if aesthetics are a top priority and you're looking for something that stays pristine, this might be a concern. But if you're okay with a little wear and tear for performance, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish sound upgrade that's also practical. Skip this one if you're looking for something that holds up perfectly against wear and tear. Plus, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck here. Now, if the AKRCK's coating issue made you think twice, the next product takes a completely different route with its build quality. Product number 4: BD Diesel Exhaust Manifold Set. Next up, we have the BD Diesel Exhaust Manifold Set, which is a bit pricier at $364.97. This caught my attention because it's designed specifically for the Ford F-150 3.5L Ecoboost, ensuring a perfect fit. If you're looking for a serious performance upgrade, this is worth considering. It's built to handle heavy loads and delivers a better throttle response, making it ideal for those who tow or haul frequently. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from 97 reviews, it's evident that many users are satisfied with its performance improvements. However, some users pointed out that the installation can be quite complex, requiring some mechanical knowledge. Here's the thing, though, if you're willing to invest the time and effort, the performance gains make it worth it. It's a solid choice for those serious about maximizing their truck's capabilities. This is perfect for you if you need a high-performance upgrade for towing or hauling. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple bolt-on solution. It's a higher investment, but if you want results, it's a great option. Now, if the installation complexity is a concern for you, the last product on this list might be more in your wheelhouse. Product number 5, Smilfy Exhaust Tip. Finally, we have the Smilfy Exhaust Tip, retailing at a budget-friendly $8.29. What caught my attention was its price and the stylish chrome finish. If you're on a tight budget but still want to enhance your truck's look, this is an option to consider. This exhaust tip is made from high-quality stainless steel and features a polished chrome finish that not only looks great, but also provides excellent corrosion resistance. It fits a variety of exhaust pipe sizes, making it versatile for many setups. Users have given it a 3.8-star rating from 501 reviews, indicating that it's generally well received for its cost. However, some users have mentioned that it can be prone to scratches and may not hold up as well as more expensive options. Look, if you're after a flashy look and are okay with a bit of maintenance, it's a great pick. But if you want something that can take a beating, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to spruce up your truck's sound and appearance. Skip this one if you're after something more durable and robust. For the price, it's an excellent starter upgrade. Now let's recap what we've covered today. To wrap it up, we've looked at the MONOKING for budget sound enhancement, the adjustable Tritrust, the stylish AKRCK, the performance-driven BD Diesel, and the budget-friendly Smilfy Exhaust Tip. Each of these options offers something unique, so think about what matters most to you when choosing the best exhaust for your F-150 Ecoboost.